How's it going, everybody? Cool. It's good to see you all. I got a couple of things I want to just mention here to kind of set everything up, and then we'll bring Sid on stage, and we'll start making stuff. That's the whole point of this thing, to make something instead of a lot of talking, and so we'll get to that. But I do want to, I don't see anyone. One second. Can you raise your hands? How many of you are engineers, coders? Okay, so like very, like maybe 15% of people? And how many of you have never made something before ever? Like, your own project, app, something? All right, cool, good to know. Cool, so let's get started. So, one sec. It's always something, right? It's all good, I'll just press it. Cool. My name is Farza. First of all, thank you for even being here. I feel like we didn't really talk much about what this was or how it works. It was just kind of a date and a time, and you showed up. So thank you so much for taking a risk on your Sunday morning to trust us with your time. Really quick, just a bit about me. I doubt anybody really knows me here. This is me. This is me when I was 13 years old. And it's really cool. There's like a lot of 13-year-olds. How many of you are 13, 14, 15? I'm just curious. That's pretty awesome. That's cool. So this is me at 13 years old. I think this was 2007. Yeah, we had massive computers. I don't know, I have my PSP on my desk, the PlayStation Portable. How many of you had that? I'm just curious. Nice. So that was me. And when I was 13, I just started making stuff. I don't know how it started, but I just started making things. And by the age of 15, I was making $100,000 a year, which was more than my teachers or my mom and my dad. And it's really weird to think about. Can anybody guess what I was doing? Just take a guess. This is 2009. Just shout it out. Website? Not a website. Games? Not a game, huh? Selling stuff online. Yes, I was selling these things. I was selling blank DVDs to people in other countries who were pirating movies and video games onto these discs. So I was one of the biggest suppliers of these discs to Latin America. Yeah. No, I mean, it's not a prideful thing. I mean, I was essentially supplying the scammers, basically. But it was great. I ran that till I was like 17. And after that, I just did a bunch of stuff. I pursued YouTube and making movies for a while. I made apps for consumers that had millions of people on them. I did AI research for a long time and self-driving cars. I started like 4 companies. My most recent 2 are most popular, I guess. One is Zip School. It was one of the biggest online elementary schools for kids in America. And then BuildSpace, which was at its height valued at 100 mil. And I don't work on it anymore, but it was a really fun company to work on. And for the last year and a half, I've just been kind of chilling, to be honest with you, and just doing stuff like this for fun. I guess disclaimer, I always put this up on everything I ever do. Please don't trust me. If I say something, don't really think it's smart or anything like that. Maybe I've done a lot of stuff, but please trust your own conclusions across everything we do here. So what's really weird is I've made this kind of career on making stuff, right? I made a whole career around making things. I've never actually worked a job. I'm 30 today, but I've never had a job, weirdly enough. And it wasn't on purpose. It just kind of happened. And I think now with AI, anybody can make anything. Like truly, anybody can make anything. You can make apps, you can make music, you can make art, you can make movies. Anything you want, you can actually make today. And to me, that's just really exciting. And it feels like the only thing that separates someone who's doing cool stuff with AI and someone who's not is just knowledge. It's not like they're better or more creative, it's just knowledge. And so I think something we can do here, my main goal here is to help it feel a little bit less overwhelming, such that you can walk away from here and feel like you know what to do with this AI thing. You know how to make stuff with it, maybe start a business with it, maybe make some money with it. And I think it's worth talking about where this event started. This event started 7 days ago, like a week ago. We didn't even know what we were doing. Sid here, raise your hand, anywhere here? Oh, in the back there. Sid is in college. Sid just emailed me. He just said, hey man, if you could grab coffee. And so, I checked my inbox and I was like, yeah, sure, why not? I'm in Dubai for a month, let's talk. And so, grabbed coffee. And then Sid's idea was, what if we did an event, right? And I was like, oh man, who's this kid? I don't really want to do an event, I'm just here to hang out. But he had a great idea. What if you taught me AI live on stage in front of everybody? And I thought, that was great, Sid, great idea, I love it, but we'll need a venue, right? We'll need a place to put all these people, because at minimum, we're going to have like 100 people. And I think today we're 150, which is amazing. And so Sid went to high school here. And so we actually got in a meeting with Sid's principal, and we talked to her for 20 minutes, made sure that I wasn't a weirdo, and then bada bing, she said, okay, you can use my auditorium. And I thought, okay, thanks, that's awesome, thank you. And so yeah, we got this auditorium. And here we are, all you are here. And I think the number one goal is, I think in the next hour and a half, I just want you all to feel like you can go home today, open your MacBook or your whatever you use, and make an app. And by the way, when I say app, I mean any type of app. I mean a website, a landing page, an iOS app, a game. These are all apps. So when I say app, just know that I mean everything that is software. And by the way, it's going to be a real app. I'm not going to sit up on stage and show you some dumb thing that like a 9-year-old can make. It's going to be like a real thing that a real software engineer would be able to make. And we're going to do it without coding. Because that's the craziest part about all of this, that you no longer need to know how to code, which is, it's still a mind-blowing thing that it still hasn't even set in for me, to be honest. I want to rewind real quick, because I feel like this whole you don't have to code thing is not, it doesn't really make sense of how big of a deal it is. So let me just set the stage for a second. 2016, this is just 9 years ago. This is me. I just got a fresh haircut from my barber. I was in college at the time. And I thought to myself, I really want to make an app. I think I was 20 years old at that time. I really want to make an app. I had this cool idea for an app for my favorite video game. And I thought, okay, I want to make this app. So I actually spent 6 months learning to code. I still will never forget, every single day I learned how to code, which is essentially I don't know if you guys, I'll show you what code looks like in a sec, but it's a lot. It's like English, but a really weird version of English. And I spent 6 months learning how to do it. I found mentors. I did like every online course. I did everything. And in 6 months, I learned to code, and I actually made the app. I made the app. It took me 6 months. And this app was my first app ever, and it ended up getting 1.5 million people, or I think 2 million people to use it in the first 2 weeks, which was just mind-blowing. That me, a kid that doesn't know anything about code, made a website that 2 million people used in just a couple of weeks. And so I was so proud. I was like, this is awesome. I'm so happy for myself. I put in the hard work, and this is so cool. And it's really crazy, because today AI made the same website, not in 6 months, but this is the craziest part, in 6 minutes. And so all I had to do was make me an app for League of Legends that plays music for each of the champions, which was the concept of the website. And believe it or not, from this one sentence, this entire thing was made that took me 6 months. And so that's why this is such a big deal. For the first time in human history, we are witnessing the ability for this other thing, AI, to actually build software for us from just pure English. And that's why it's such a big deal. And AI is changing every industry for sure. I think you guys know that already. But it's changed the coding world the most. Because check this out. From 1957 to 1921, 50 years, almost 50 plus years, we wrote code. You had to go to university and you had to find somebody that knew how to do this garbage, and you had to find somebody that could actually teach you how to write code, right? I mean, just look at it. It's not that fun. At least I didn't think it was that fun. Some people think it's fun, but not me. And so that's what we were doing until 2021. And then what happened next? Can anybody guess? What happened next? 2022, 2023. ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT came out. It turns out ChatGPT is really good at writing code. It's like, oh my God, and this blew everyone's mind at the time, right? But the thing was, you still needed to kind of know how to code, right? You couldn't just say, ChatGPT, make me a, Uber. You couldn't do it. You still had to know how to code. But then 2024, 2025 came around, especially now. This year was like the major turning point. Coding agents came out. I'm going to be using this word around a lot, so I just want to introduce it. Coding agents. So ChatGPT, I think all of you have probably used AI. You send a message, you get a reply, right? Super simple. Everyone's done it. Agents is you send a message, and the AI will just do everything on its own for maybe sometimes 30 minutes, 45 minutes. It'll just do the work for you. And they essentially take their own actions. They don't need your permission to take an action. They can just do it on their own. And the biggest thing about them is they don't need intervention, which means you can tell an agent, hey, go make me an app that feels like Uber. And it'll spend maybe 45 minutes working on it. It'll, like a human, kind of make the project. It'll kind of write the initial kind of website. It'll write the initial code. And then it'll actually, at the very end, give you your final app. Kind of like you would tell a human, right? If I have a software engineer in front of me right now, and I say, hey, I'm going to pay you $10,000. I want you to make this app for me. I want it to feel like Uber. This human will go off, right? Do some work and come back to you, right? That's how it works. And so the craziest thing now is you don't need the human anymore. Like, you don't need to pay some guy $10,000. You can do it from your own laptop. And so, for example, stuff like this is all very doable. Let's say we want to make the new Airbnb. It's a sentence away. Let's say you want to make Deliveroo or Noon. It's a sentence away. I'm simplifying it a little bit, so you'll see live. It's a little more complicated than just one sentence, but the basics of it starts here. Let's say you want to make the new Candy Crush, a new Minecraft. Great, you can just do that. It's a sentence away. And you don't need code, you need only English. So, yeah, that's why I'm so excited about this. I'm not for the first time, anybody can just do this stuff. Stuff that I spent 10 years grinding my head for, and really just spending my whole lifespan on, a kid can do now from their laptop in 5 minutes. And by the way, the biggest thing about this is previously to make an app, let's just say you wanted to make, I don't know, an app like Noon, right? That app at minimum probably costs you $250,000 because you got to pay some group of people who are going to make that app for you. Now you could probably make that $20, something like that. I think $20 at minimum, maybe $100, $1,000 at maximum. And so the price of building these things has dropped tremendously, thousands of percents. And people are making real apps now. Again, this has been happening for the last year or two. And a lot of people are even monetizing them and making real money off of them, which is the craziest part. You remember when I was 13, selling stuff online, right? That's what I was doing. I think the 13-year-olds of today are going to be doing this. And whoever makes the interesting teenager businesses of today, even the adult businesses of today, are going to start like this. Again, these aren't just dumb apps. These are really, truly functional, usable apps. This is an app I made in March of this year. By the way, how many of you have a Mac? You have a MacBook, an Apple MacBook. Cool. So for the Apple MacBook, you actually need to know a very specific programming language. It's called Swift. I didn't know Swift. Swift is hard. I don't want to spend all that time learning Swift. And so I built this entire app for the Mac without knowing Swift, and it took me about 8 hours. And I built this entire journaling app. You can journal in it. You can see your past journal entries. You can maybe set a timer at the bottom. And I just made it for fun. And I put it on the internet. And 2 million views, 10,000 downloads. Took me 8 hours, right? Now, of course, I have been doing this for a long time, so maybe I did some things right initially. But I think anybody can start by just making stuff right now. And yeah, I didn't know how to make stuff for the Mac. I didn't know that language, right? It didn't matter. And so I think that's kind of introduction. I would love to do a live session now with Sid. I just want you to sit back, relax, no notes, no pictures. This is all recorded. I'll send you a video after. And I think one favor, these agents are really early. They're kind of slow. They break. And me and Sid haven't polished a demo. We're actually going to do this as if he was actually someone I was teaching. And we have not rehearsed this. We have not practiced this. And so let's see how it goes, all right? And so let's bring up Sid, yeah? All right, Sid, bring your desk, bro. Back in school. How you doing? Is your mic on?
Let me put it on.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Yeah, I'll get my chair too.
All right, get your chair.
It's the most public one-on-one tuition class ever.
Yeah, they're not even here, bro. Don't even think about them. So so today I'm actually going to show you 3 different agents. So the first agent is called, there's a bunch of these. I'm just going to use the most popular ones. This agent is called Lovable. It lets you make really pretty landing pages, which are just kind of websites that are functional, but you mostly just look at them. For example, maybe I like this restaurant recently. It's called Al Afghani Kebab. And they have a website, right? So this is their landing page. They probably paid some person thousands of dollars to make this for them, right? This is called a landing page. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to make a landing page. Then level 2. Me and Sid are going to make a fully functional app, which he's going to charge money for. And then there's level 3, the very last thing I'll show you, the last coding agent, where we're going to actually build an iPhone app on stage in front of you. And so we're going to start simple. So Sid, take a seat.
Hello, teacher. How are you?
I've had better days, man.
Really?
Nah, I'm good.
I told you I had some friends, see?
Yeah.
A lot of them pulled up.
I don't think they're your friends, though.
Are you guys my friends? Come on.
Yes.
I'm home. Family's here, bro. Come on.
Oh, true. They're your friends. They're your friends.
Come on. So we're doing a landing page?
Yeah, so you're in college, right? You're 21?
Yeah, 22.
22. You might be applying for jobs or stuff. You give resumes?
So I've actually noticed like a lot of people who are in tech or the startup world, they usually have a cool personal website.
Personal website.
Like a landing page, but it's not a resume. It's more
So kind of like
more
me,
than that.
This is my website, my landing page, farza.com, right?
Yeah.
It's super simple. It just talks about me, and that's it. You have another website you like that people, like a personal website? I think Sean Puri's another guy.
Sean Puri's a nice one.
It's kind of like just people who are just individual people, where people want to learn more about you.
Yeah, and see your work and stuff like that.
See your work, yeah. This is Sean's landing page, super cool. So I was thinking maybe we just first build you a personal website.
Yeah, that would be
So you
cool.
want to start that?
Yeah, let's do that.
So want to come closer? So it's going to start. Let's start something with really simple. Make me a personal. By the way, I don't have the pro version of this.
Oh man,
This is free, by the way. I don't have the pro account.
that's what happens when we do events for free.
Yeah, man, there's no budget. So make me a personal website for me. My name is. You want to put it?
Yeah, let's do it. So I just type it and I click enter.
Yes. So don't click enter yet.
Okay.
Just kind of type it a full sentence. My name is Siddharth. By the way, is there like a version of you online? Real quick.
I mean, there is, yeah.
Do you have like a LinkedIn or something?
Yeah, I have a LinkedIn.
Okay, so let's just Google your LinkedIn. Is this you?
Should be.
Should be. Okay, so I'm actually just going to copy paste your entire LinkedIn, right?
Entire LinkedIn?
I'm just going to copy your LinkedIn. I'm going to say, here is my LinkedIn.
Okay.
I'm just going to copy everything, right? It's a lot of stuff, right?
Oh, so, and it'll just know like what to do.
I don't know. Let's see what happens.
Let's
Maybe
see.
this is a complete disaster. I don't really know. But AI is pretty good at taking a lot of different information and knowing what to do with it. So,
Okay.
for example, instead of you typing in your entire life history, I mean, bro, your life history is already on
It's
here,
on, yeah,
right?
LinkedIn, sure.
Is there anywhere else you have something? Maybe a Twitter?
Yeah, my Twitter, you can go to x.com.
Twitter. So let's go to your Twitter, and let's maybe take your biography. Is this, here you
Yeah.
are. I followed you recently. Yes, this is my number. Cool, so this is you. I'm just going to copy-paste all your Twitter, too.
Okay, sure.
Okay?
So
And
like
I'm gonna
all the tweets, everything? Or
yeah,
just,
yeah,
okay.
everything. Let's hope it doesn't break. And here's my Twitter. Cool. And again, this is disgusting, right? We have like the sports in here. We have a bunch of nonsense, right?
Yeah.
And so let's just actually click send and see what happens. So what's really cool here is this agent will read everything here, right?
Okay.
And it's going to actually figure out, okay, like this guy wants a personal website. Well, I need some information, right?
So really quick, when you say agent or AI, is this the same AI that's in ChatGPT, or do these have different kind of AIs?
So ChatGPT, if we go here, right, we say hi, and ChatGPT will say hi back, right?
Okay.
But in this case, this is different. The agent is going to go and just do a bunch of stuff. So check this out. It's already started. I'll create a bold, striking personal website for Siddharth that captures his entrepreneurial energy and cold email expertise. Does this sound good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Drawing inspiration from modern founder portfolios with a dark, confident aesthetic. Does that sound like you, bro?
Dark, confident aesthetic?
Not confident.
Dark aesthetic? Sure.
Okay. And so it's going to actually go and develop a design. And now you can see here, it's starting to actually write the code.
Okay.
So you can see at the bottom here, it's actually one by one creating the files that's going to make your landing page.
And then all those files are going to be here on this lovable coding agent
Yeah. So
website?
the beautiful thing about today's agents is you don't have to even look at the code. You don't have to even make the project. All you have to do is start saying, make me
Okay.
this. And all of the actual files and all of the text and all of the code is on the website, and they'll keep it there for you on the website.
So I remember you were saying on stage that Mac has a certain programming language, Swift, right? So even do the websites
Yeah.
have different programming languages as well?
So they do. Websites use something called JavaScript. So for example, if I go to facebook.com, right? Facebook.com. This is most likely written in a language called JavaScript. Now, the coding agent it doesn't even ask you. It doesn't ask you what language do you want to use, right?
Okay.
It just picks one and it makes it. It made that decision for you. I think that's one of the crazy things about all this, where as Sid, you don't know what programming language to use.
Yeah, like if it asked me, I would be like, just do any of them. I don't know.
Any of it. And so what's beautiful is the agent will just pick it for you. It doesn't need to ask you. But the thing is, if you told it, hey, use this specific language, it would have done that.
Okay. So what language is it using right now?
This is called JavaScript.
JavaScript?
But again, technically, it doesn't matter. Like, you don't need to know any of it, right?
Yeah, that's true. So it'll create each of the files in its system and then just run it as well.
Yeah, so here's your app, right? They're already making it. This is all the code it's writing. Again, 5 years ago, a human would have written all of this stuff.
You'd have to manually write each of them.
You'd have to manually create all of this. You'd have to learn the language, you know? You have to learn the language, and you'd have to actually, like, do all this by yourself. And so it's making all these files one by one. Let's actually kind of see what it's doing. Let's go to the page.
But how do you know it's not going to mess up? Or, like, if it messes up, does it, like, fix it itself?
So if it messes up, you actually use it. And then if it messes, you'll see if it messes up, we can actually tell the agent to change it. And it'll fix it for us. But these agents are not smart enough yet where it can actually just do everything by itself. It still needs you, like sitting there, waiting, and then kind of working with it. So it's actually making a lot of stuff for us right now, which is cool.
Can we go to the code part that you went to before? So right now we're in preview. This is where it's actually making it. So I've heard of this thing called localhost, where it's like if you're coding something, you have a preview version on your laptop, something like that.
So check this out. What you're mentioning is when an engineer develops something, it only works on their computer.
Yeah, exactly.
What's beautiful about these agents now is it'll automatically put it on the internet for you.
Oh, wow, okay.
And you can connect a custom domain. For example, if you wanted siddharth.com, you could just connect it.
Oh, okay.
And so check this out. Your personal website is live. It features dark, sophisticated design, hero section with your headline. You did a hackathon with 300 people?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. It tells your story about going to SF. It highlights the project you work on, which is the cold emails thing, right?
Right.
So that's one of your projects. So again, it did all this. I just copy pasted your LinkedIn.
Yeah, it already knew to highlight.
It just knew. And so, okay, here we are. And so let's actually go on the internet now, and it's live.
So this is live right now?
This is live right now. I'm on the internet. Cool.
Oh, that's amazing.
So let's say you're applying to a job, or you're trying to get someone to think you got something. Let's check this out. So you want to scroll through it? Just don't move the laptop. You want to read it?
I help people land their dream jobs, clients, and opportunities through the art of cold email.
Does it sound about right?
Yeah, very much. Replies from Polygram, Mark Cuban. That's amazing.
That's really cool.
Let's click
Wait,
this.
have you said that before?
I've said this. You can just cold email.
Nice.
So it just knows.
Oh, wow. So let's read this.
Yeah.
It literally wrote your entire biography. I convinced my university to fund a 4-month startup in San Francisco. Is this true?
Yeah. It's not going to lie, bro. I didn't lie on my LinkedIn.
Hey, that's good. Most people do lie on their LinkedIn. So.
Okay. I convinced my uni.
That's kind of awesome. It has your previous work history.
Yeah.
I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not just saying this for the audience. If I got this website and I was hiring, I would jump on a call with you.
It's so much better than a resume.
Yeah, imagine. Can we go to a resume? Let's just show it a resume. Resume. Yeah. Would you rather get this? Max Johnson. You know, who's this guy? Max Johnson, UX designer. Oh, God.
Yeah, a lot of text.
I'd rather just look at this. Things you've built.
Wait, click on it. Does it go anywhere?
I don't know. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. It goes to my project.
It literally, the AI was smart enough where it linked Sid's projects to their actual links. That's kind of crazy, actually.
Yeah. That's amazing.
That's amazing. What else? Is this right? Same thing.
Okay.
And then Synctium. So this one I can't click.
Yeah, because this was a previous one.
Yeah, because it didn't know the link.
Okay.
Sometimes AI does this thing where it'll make up links, it'll hallucinate.
Okay.
But usually it does a pretty good job. So it was actually smart enough here.
What's hallucinate?
Hallucinate is kind of like where the AI is like, just make stuff up.
Okay.
It's like, Sid, did the Olympics in 2020 and he got the gold medal.
Oh, okay.
They just make stuff up. But it's gotten so good now in 2025 especially, where it's just really effective.
Yeah, it gets most of it right.
So this is really cool, but I think in the beginning you said that you don't like the dark aesthetic, right?
I mean, yeah, we can try. Can we do like a night mode? You know how websites have night mode?
Yeah.
So you can have like a light version and a dark version?
Can you have a light mode and night mode button? I mean, personally, I'm not a fan of the dark webs. And so this is how it works now, right? You looked at the website, and you're like, I kind of wish the website had this thing, right? Mm-hmm. And then all you have to do is ask for it.
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
And this agent already knows your website. It already has all of your code, and it's just going to go and do it. So now look, it's editing the proper file right now.
So it knows like which file to go in and to edit and add those like...
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, wow, that's sick.
That's actually pretty hard to do for humans even. It's pretty hard for even a human to know which file should I go to and what should I change.
Does it link to my LinkedIn and Twitter as well?
Ooh, oh, nice. Oh, it tried its best.
Okay.
So see, this is
a case... hallucination right
So
there.
we can actually fix this.
Okay.
After. So you got your Twitter.
Okay.
But it messed up on your LinkedIn, right? So we can actually just say, Siddharth. Wait, where's your LinkedIn? You want to actually go to your LinkedIn real quick again?
Yeah.
Cool. So again, it's blocked. What's going on? That's amazing.
Google's against us.
Is it just all broken? Why is Google blocked?
Let us learn, Google.
That's so weird. What is going on? Bing.com. Okay. Does Bing.com work?
There we go. On Bing?
I searched the Google search link.
In Bing?
And it popped up.
That isn't me, though.
That's not you? Oh.
Just type it there, though.
Freaking Bing, man.
Just type it there.
Siddharth?
Yeah, there.
You want to type it in? I don't spell your name. I'm sorry, bro. I'm a fake friend. Okay, can I see now? Cool. So this is your link. And, the agent's working right now. Oh, it looks like it did it. Let's check it out. Let's see if it did the last thing right. Let me close all these tabs.
Yeah.
So you want a light mode button?
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. That was like
crazy, right?
5 minutes. Shout out AI.
So this is pretty cool. And you mentioned there's like a couple of bugs, right? So let's just say, bro, you messed up my LinkedIn. This is the link. And it's going to go figure it out. So then it should fix all these buttons here. By the way, what does it happen when I click get in touch? What does this do?
Does it have my email?
I don't know. Let's see. I don't like this. We can change that, though. It's doing some weird thing. So again, the agent will sometimes do something where you're like, why did you do it like this? Yeah. And you can just say to fix it. I'm running out of credits, by the way. Cool. So cool. He says he fixed it.
He or she.
I don't know what it's it. They, them. So now, did it work? Preview latest sections. Let's refresh this. I'm Siddharth. Does it work? And there you go.
Oh, okay.
So now we fixed it.
That's pretty cool.
So again, I actually want to make it really clear for the audience too. This is really hard to do. This would take someone a year to even learn to do with this design sense, with the way it's laid out. Does it work? Let's see if it works on the phone. So I can actually go on the phone here. I can pretend like we're on the iPhone.
Oh, okay.
Let me refresh the page. And it doesn't work for the iPhone. But if we wanted to, we could be like, make it work for mobile. And that way we can use it on our iPhone, right? And
it just knows like how to do it.
It just knows how to do it.
That's crazy.
And the craziest thing is you as a human, without any engineering experience, you know what you want. You're like, bro, it doesn't work on my iPhone.
Yeah.
And so you know who you tell? You just tell your friend agent. And he, she, they will just do it for you, bro.
That's amazing.
Yeah. And
also one thing is like for websites, I don't know if you mentioned, but you know how Framer and all these other sites like Wix.com, they exist?
Yeah.
So even on going to those sites and then dragging and dropping each of these texts, making it load, add the animation, that in itself takes so much time.
It's crazy, yeah. It's actually crazy how easy this has all become. I want to show you something cool too now we can do. We can actually visually just edit things.
Oh, so you can like change the colors.
Yeah, actually,
and
let me not show you this right now because it's actually kind of slow. I'll show you something else. But real quick, the site already works on mobile, okay, it says. So let's check again. Oh, there we go. And now it works on the iPhone.
Wow, that's
so now
pretty
if you look at it on the iPhone's like this, right? And so now it works. Once again, I just want to make it so clear for the audience. This is really hard to do. To make something work on your phone like this is actually notoriously difficult. Ask any engineer if you want to make something on a phone work. It's not the easiest thing. It actually takes some knowledge. But hey, Sid, you just did it right now in 3 sentences.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 sentences, 10 minutes.
You want to ask maybe one more question? We move on to the next example?
I think this is pretty cool.
Yeah?
The only last question I might have, let me see. So I can go in it and edit any one of these things as well. Just tell it just remove this section.
Yeah. Let's say you don't like what one of the words say. For example, let's say you don't like, hey, I'm Siddharth. I'll be like, I don't like the header. And let's let it, what is it doing? It's still doing the mobile thing. Let's stop that.
Okay.
Let's say I don't like the header. By the way, while we're talking, I'm going to publish this. So it's going to be live.
Everyone can see it.
I know your mom's here. It'd be cool to just send it to her right now, right?
Yeah, send it to me. I'll send it to her.
Yeah. So let's change the header. What specifically don't you like? Let's maybe say change the copy of the header. So maybe we're just I don't like what it says.
Oh, shoot.
That's how they get you. That's how they get you.
They have me hooked now. It's okay.
It's all good. I don't feel like paying money for this.
Yeah.
I don't actually use this tool much, but it's a great tool for beginners. I highly recommend if you're have literally no idea what you're doing.
I would use this to just get a personal website.
Yeah. I actually wanted to show this because this is a landing page, right?
Landing page, yeah.
Landing pages are the most simple apps. They're literally just websites that show information. They're not they don't have animations. They don't have it's not like Uber or other websites.
Which have all these crazy functionalities.
Have all these functionality. It's just website with text. Mm-hmm. So that's why I wanted to start here. But that was pretty cool, man. And it looks like it published too. And here we are. Siddharth's Digital Garden. You want me to send it to you?
Yeah, just send it to me.
And you can send it to your mom.
Yeah.
And then
we'll have one live visitor.
Maybe and we can get our first live visitor, exactly. Oh, you're on my iMessage. Here we are. Okay, I have my second screen here. And I just texted it to you. Cool. So as you do that, I just wanted to also, if you send it to your mom, and we can make sure it works. What's crazy about this is, once again, if you have a restaurant, if you're a student, if you have a business, like I said in the beginning, you're a college student, right?
Yeah.
This is so much better than sending a resume. And so it's kind of cool, normal people can now create these really intuitive experiences for themselves.
I tried doing this before on Framer and stuff, and it took so much time.
It's actually very hard to do, so it's pretty cool. All right, Mom, did you get the link? Can you try to open it on your phone?
Can we see the visitors?
Where's the visitors? Oh, here we are, visitors. Oh, two.
Two current
visitors.
But
it's just us. It's just us.
Oh, it's just me and you?
Yeah.
Hey, I'll put it in the family group chat.
You got it? All right.
Let's go.
So now, if it registered, it should say 3, or maybe it's slow.
It's just in the...
Oh, there we go, 3 visitors.
Okay, perfect.
And so this is how it starts. So now, Sid,
I got my first website visitor.
You got your first website visitor, man.
Let's go.
That's good, man. Okay.
Let's get to my first $1 now. Come on.
That's your
Just want to make some money with it.
It's all about the money. What is with you? All right. I want to now, that was really cool, right? But yeah, I agree with you. Let's do something a little bit more fun. So the next agent I'm going to use is called Replit. Replit was actually started by one of my friends, which is kind of crazy.
Oh, really?
Is he my friend? What would you describe as a friend?
I don't know, bro.
I can just text him. Is he my friend?
Yeah, I guess so.
All right, then he's my friend, yeah. So Replit is a website where you can make apps with more stuff.
Okay,
so for example,
more functionalities.
How many of you guys know Airbnb.com? You guys know it? Cool. Airbnb.com has a lot of stuff. This is a website where you can rent houses. They have accounts. You can go and book experiences.
Right.
You can pay money on Airbnb.
You can do a lot more than just have a look.
It's like a full app.
Okay.
And so I want to make something like this, where it's more of a full app together. But I think before I do that, I wanted to also just show one crazy thing.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep it running on the side. But I know there's a lot of kids here, and I wanted to show just one random thing, just for fun.
Yeah, a little game.
Make me Flappy Bird.
How many kids here know Flappy Bird, just out of curiosity? You
Okay.
know Flappy Bird?
Make me Flappy Bird, and let's do a twist to it. What's a cool twist? And
like put your face on it instead
make it night mode and mysterious. The bird is actually Batman. And let's do that. How about that?
Okay, sure.
So I'm going to let that start running on the side. Okay? So what's really cool with agents is I can have multiple agents doing things at the same time. Because, I don't want to sit there and wait for it,
So while this is making this app, we'll do something else?
We can just do something else. So let's actually just do something else. So we had this cool app idea that me and you talked about before. You want to tell the audience about it, like what it is?
The moments kind of thing, right?
You want to tell everybody what it is, how it works?
Yeah, so I usually go through days and then there are some moments that I kind of want to keep and remember later on. Like it would be really cool if I just like took a picture of this moment right now where we're on stage and then all of you guys are in the audience watching. And it's more than just a camera roll. It's a place where I can go back and look at only the special moments in my life. And I thought it would be cool if you made like a website or like an app where every day it would show what is the moment that I saved in that day. And then maybe at the end of the month, we have like a highlight, like these were the best moments of today.
Yeah.
So a simple app with a calendar view that just allows me to create one moment, add a text and an image. I think that would be pretty cool.
Cool. It didn't really capture it as good as I liked. Oh, wait. How does that sound? This is what you just said, right?
Yeah.
So
I'll just put that. And then add
a website. So basically, it's like a journal.
It's a journal of my favorite
It's kind of like
moments.
Instagram, but only for yourself.
Yeah, kind of. Kind of, yeah.
Yeah. A website where it's like IG/a journal. I can take pictures of moments in my day, and save them. And it keeps a record of all my past moments. Anything else you want to say?
No, I think that's pretty good.
Okay. Do you want to maybe have an account system, like where you can actually log in with your
email?
email?
Yeah, so like not everyone can see it.
Yeah, because you wouldn't want everybody seeing your private
or
stuff.
Maybe it would be cool if other people can create their own accounts on that website.
Okay, so let's make it
like what if you make it live and someone from the audience goes to that website and can like make their own account? That would be pretty cool.
So let's make it where the visitor can make an account on the platform. I'm so bad. Make an account on the platform. And
log in with their kind of details.
All moments are private to the user. How about we just start with this?
Okay. Does it matter? Does it matter like how you write the prompt?
It does. So you have to be like, you should describe what you want, kind of like you'd be asking a real human being.
Okay.
Let's say you have a person right there, and they're a software engineer.
Yeah.
And you're telling them what you want. How you talk to that person should be how you talk to this thing.
Okay.
Right? But I have one problem with this actually. This calendar view thing. I don't get it. And sometimes I think AI will also not get it. So I'm reading this, it's like, okay, so you want
maybe not even a calendar view, but just like a log that I can scroll down. And
how about this? How about we do something kind of fun? How about we just design it right now and we give it to the AI?
Okay.
Right? So I actually already designed this.
Okay.
So this was kind of like your idea, right?
Yeah, exactly like that. Like new moment, picture.
Okay, do you want to maybe change this? Because this is just because you told me this idea before the event.
Yeah.
How about you change this now? More what you want to have.
Okay. So something like...
What's that?
It's my profile picture, bro.
Okay. Calm down, bro. My bad.
Yeah, it's just like...
Profile?
Pic.
That's kind of cool.
And then... What if you had like a code?
Code from what? Like you wrote?
Yeah, something that I wrote.
Code from entry, maybe.
Yeah.
And then maybe that's just a pic instead of over here? So
yeah.
We just make this...
Just pic/day.
Oh, I just turned my entire browser off. Oops. Cool. Just pic, right?
Yeah. And then maybe like a date.
Oh, yeah, the date, yeah. We can maybe like date here, right?
Yeah, that's
maybe here we do like plus new moment, right?
Mm-hmm. Just like you add.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Does the calendar look like what you want?
We could do like a list, actually.
What do you mean?
Something like,
oh, I see. You want to
like you just scroll down like a feed.
Oh, I see. So you want to actually make it?
Yeah, something like.
So what's really cool is me and Sid are designing it right now, right? Like we're just two friends thinking of a brand new idea. I'm sure many of you have new ideas all the time, and a lot of times we draw these on paper or napkins, right? And we never do anything with them. Well, now we can actually do something with them. So.
What's this website for like?
This is called explicado. I use this for like really quick designs.
Okay.
Cool. So I like this a lot. Let's just give this to the AI too, right? I'm going to copy this, copy as a PNG. And let's go back.
So you can give it pictures as well, not just text?
Exactly.
Okay.
One second. I turned my entire browser off.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, let's go back to Replit here. Oh my God,
and you're like,
I hope it saves what I wrote. Please.
So there's attachments where you can put pictures and then like also text, is what you said, right?
Yeah.
What else can you like attach?
So we can actually attach anything.
Like what if I want to just copy a website and tell it to like change just one or two things off that website?
What is going on? It's not opening Replit. If I close this? All right, let me just force quit everything. Brave. Okay, there it loads here. Okay, cool. Let's go back to the home. Okay, cool. It saved it. Oh, I was
Thank God, bro.
Okay, so now I just want to also give it my design. So let's do that. I'm just going to take a picture of it here. Boom. Where to go? Oh, it's right here on my other screen. And, you know, the agent is smart enough, so agents can also look at things. So the agent can actually
pretty cool. Yeah,
look at it.
But instead of this, if I give it like an actual website,
yeah, it could
look at it and clone it.
Yeah, let's say you really liked like a certain website, like a journal website.
Yeah.
You can just take that website and say, hey, agent, I want it to look like this, right?
Wow, okay.
Oh, that's pretty cool. This is going to take like maybe 5 minutes, I think. Maybe even 6 minutes. So it's going to take a sec. But I'm going to show you a bunch of things that's doing in the meantime.
Yeah.
So the most difficult thing about all this is a couple of things. Let's go back to your SID website, right? Garden. This website. This website is just text and a website, right? But why is this website harder, you think? Can you tell me why?
Maybe
why would it be
because
harder to make?
I think since we have each user, so for example, the other website is just like a page that anyone can go and see.
Yeah.
But this one is private. So maybe like each person that comes needs a username, password.
A whole password.
Whole password.
Like you need to make a whole username password system now.
Yeah.
That sounds pretty hard.
So how is it going to kind of make a whole username password? Like where is it going to store all of that? Does it just
So Replit will actually, so this is what it's called a database.
Okay.
Databases live in the cloud and they store information in the cloud. Replit will actually make you your own database.
Oh, okay. So I've heard of databases before. Like I know that there's Supabase and all these other things.
Sure.
But you're saying this has it inside Replit already?
Check this out. It just made the database for us.
Oh, wow, okay.
And so I can actually go in the database and I can see what's in there, which is nothing right now.
But usually this won't, like it would have to be something separate that you connect.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's just say...
if I wasn't making this on Replit, and I was like coding this, I would have to connect it to something else.
Yeah, for example, there's tons of different database companies. One very famous one is called Supabase. But honestly, you don't need to care about this.
Yeah.
Like, you don't have to go learn what a database is. You don't have to go learn what the best database is.
That's amazing.
All you have to say is...
I can just tell it.
You didn't even ask for a database.
Yeah.
What did you ask for?
That I can log in with my credentials and whoever comes on the thing can make their own account as well. So it just knew that, that means a database.
It inferred. It said, okay, so this person wants an account system. Therefore, I have to make a database.
Okay.
And so that's, again, one other magical thing about agents. It can make these really hard decisions for you because you don't know what the best database is. Right?
Yeah, exactly. And I don't want to go and look through all the databases out there.
Exactly.
So over here, before it even does anything, I noticed that it kind of like thinks for a minute.
Yes.
What does that mean? Like, what is that? Does it plan out how it's going to do everything?
Yes. So you can see here, it's actually planning how it's going to do it. So it's like,
Okay.
hey, I'll build this private moments journal app for you. Let me first search for authentication. Authentication is making an account.
Yeah.
So it's going to search for it actually is going to search all the integrations it has and make the set up an integration with which the user can make an account. Because honestly, there's hundreds of websites you can use and services you can use to make an account, like a username and a password.
Okay.
And so Replit will just pick the best one for you.
Oh, that's amazing.
Which is nice.
Yeah. So you just...
So now it's doing a lot of work, to be honest. It's made our entire database now.
And is this the same thing as a landing page, like the code-wise? Is it also JavaScript?
So the code is the same, but there is a lot more differences. I would say this is a lot more complex.
Yeah.
Because now you're handling people's data. You're handling, you mentioned you want to upload an image. Where does that image go?
Yeah.
Where is that image stored? Is that image private? How does that work? A lot of those things, the agent will decide for you. But it's still your job as a human to test it, because the agent could just mess it up.
Okay.
So while that's happening, I remember we made Flappy Bird. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
So
Gotham Flop.
So it looks like this took about 3 minutes to make, and it cost 58 cents to generate this game. You see that right there?
Yeah.
It says that? Mm-hmm. This work cost 58 cents. And so let's just play.
Does it work?
Let's see. I actually don't know. 1 second. Oh, shit.
Oh, you lost? You're terrible.
No cursing. I forgot we're in school. Okay, it's loading now. It's just on the Gotham Flap.
Press space.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Don't mess up. Oh.
Whoa, it actually works. That's crazy.
This is too easy. Can we make it harder?
How do we make it harder?
You can just ask.
Okay.
Too easy.
It's like that dinosaur game, when the Wi-Fi doesn't work.
Yeah.
Just made it in 3 minutes.
Flappy Bird did millions of dollars.
Yeah.
And
like so many kids.
I think
people here know Flappy Bird.
Like how much did Flappy Bird make? Flappy Bird made $50,000 per day.
Per day?
Per day.
Wow.
And that was the whole game, right?
Yeah.
So what's beautiful now is if you have a game idea now, you can just make the game.
In 3 minutes.
In 3 minutes. So now I just told it to make it harder. But I hope it's okay. We're hopping between two projects.
Yeah, it's okay.
Because I don't feel like waiting.
It's kind of cool. Like you can see the progress on this and then go back and see the progress on that.
Yeah. Also the ADHD brain, gotta be flipping between things. So now it's saying I'm adjusting the game difficulty parameters. So I increased gravity, I increased pipe speed, I decreased gap size, and faster obstacle spawning. So the agent, all we said to the agent is make the game harder.
And it just knew, these are the things that would make it harder.
It just knew. And that's the crazy part about all this. So this now cost 55 cents total, the whole game.
So when you said this cost, what is the basis of it charging? So and where's that cost coming from?
When you use ChatGPT, it generates English for you, right?
Yeah.
When you use these agents, they're generating code for you. Every time you generate anything on ChatGPT, it costs some amount of pennies. So when you do a lot, those pennies stack up, right? And so code, you're generating a lot. You actually are generating thousands and thousands of lines of English. And so that's why it actually gets kind of expensive. But so 58 cents for this is not bad, right?
Yeah, that's actually pretty
good. Let's play it and try to beat your previous high score now.
What was it, 6?
I think 6. Let's let it load. Does it feel harder?
Oh my, it's hard.
Stay focused. So now what's cool about this is you can make this even harder. If you want to maybe change the art. If you want to maybe, everyone's so focused.
Unlucky.
So what's really cool about this is you can actually now change the art, Yeah,
what if I want this daytime?
You want it in the daytime?
Yeah, can you do
want
that?
A light mode, night mode button?
Yeah, light daytime, but it's Superman. Night mode is Batman.
You want to just ask it?
Yeah.
Ask it, yeah. Yo, you got to talk to it like it's your friend. Make sure you're nice to your AI because one day it's going to come out in the real world and it's going to remember you. So say please, say thank you. I say good morning to my AI every morning. I'm serious. I swear to God, I do it every morning. Okay, cool.
Let's see what it is.
While this is happening, let's go back to your actual website. Because Sid, your goal here is to make your first $1, right?
Yeah. I mean, someone might pay for this.
Actually, someone might pay for this, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, moments. Okay. This is exciting.
Let's go.
Let's see what it generated. Capture your daily moments, your private visual journal for life's precious moments. How's this look, Sid?
It looks nice. It looks clean.
What do you guys think? It looks pretty good?
Doesn't really look like my diagram, though.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Oh, so it created that landing page.
So check this out. It made a landing page.
Oh, wow.
Now it's saying, you want to make an account.
Okay.
So I can actually just say, I want to make an account.
Okay, let's make
So
an
let's
account.
say allow. I allow them my email address. Oh, okay, now we're in the app. Okay.
Now it actually has a
Now let's do a new moment. Let's see if this actually, if this works, it's going to be pretty crazy. Usually you do this and it doesn't work. So here's a picture for you.
Yeah.
Actually, let me pick an easier one. Yeah. So this is a picture of us. This was 2 days ago?
Yeah, 2 days ago. Let's put that and save that as a moment.
Look at us.
Preparing.
We're so young and happy in that picture.
Yeah. Oh, it cut out?
Oh, it cuts it. Okay. So we can fix that later, though.
Yeah.
So what made this moment special, Sid? Write it down. Huh?
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
I just got mad that I was typing.
You got mad that you were typing. Let's try again. So again, it'll break sometimes.
Yeah.
It's kind of up to you to properly kind of do it. It might happen again. Maybe it's uploading and it's not working.
Okay.
Just some friends organizing a cool event. Love it. And looks like the AI added something there. A little star. A best moment? Was this a best moment for you?
Oh, okay. I mean, this is the best moment, I would say.
So we'll have to take a picture. Let's save this moment
Let's
now.
save it and see what happens.
Let's see if it actually works. I don't know. And boom, it did it.
Oh, wow.
So wait.
And it has a code just like I wanted.
It looks kind of like this, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That's actually
What's that up
nice.
there? Is it like a calendar up there? Ooh.
I didn't even ask it to do this.
Dude,
that's pretty crazy.
That's pretty crazy. That's
What's
exciting.
that?
Oh, it added your night mode button, bro.
Bro, it's listening to me. How did it know?
How did it know? So
amazing.
Now the big test. If I refresh the page, will it still go?
Will it stay or no?
Work? Because technically, on websites,
anyone can do it.
They don't remember things, right? So when you leave the website and come back, it technically forgets everything. So if this worked, that means it stored everything in the database and it can come back anytime. Here's what I'm gonna do. I actually don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna log out.
Okay.
I logged out. I'm gonna refresh the page completely. So this is brand new now.
And so are you gonna log back in or see if it'll ask you for
I'm gonna log back in. By the way, while we're doing this and testing it, what I like to do with the agents is give it some more work to do while I'm testing.
Okay.
So, that way my agent's always he's working hard, man.
Why let them rest?
No break. Hey. You gotta let your AI rest a little bit. See what's really cool? I want to skip a little bit just for a moment.
Okay.
Replit will actually test your app for you.
Oh,
So check this out. It's gonna actually start up a mini browser and test the app for you. Check this out. I deleted it by accident. My bad.
No worries.
Let's stay on task. I wanted to do one thing, which is I want to add payments. Because Sid, you want to make your first $1.
Of course.
Does anybody find this app interesting? Even it's kind of interesting, a little bit. Okay, that's a lot.
Oh, that's a lot. Well,
okay,
we thought like
so
maybe
let's say,
one.
Big news, AI. My friends think this is awesome. But I'm broke. I'm broke. Can you make it where when the user logs in, there is a button for them to pay me $5 a month? Right? Does that sound good?
That's
$5 a month sounds like something people would pay for.
Yeah. I pay for my coffee. 1 coffee a month.
Yeah, 1 coffee a month for Sid. Is that worth it? So now, let's let it work there, okay? In the meantime, what were we doing here?
We were trying to see if the login works when you go back in.
So let's actually do that.
Okay.
I'm gonna get started for free again. I'm gonna log back in. and hopefully it remembers everything.
And it has that picture saved.
Yeah. Sorry, it keeps refreshing because it's still doing work in the background.
Okay.
We can't do it.
Can we go back to the game? I'm more interested in that.
Can we go back to the game? Yes, we can, bro. This is the fun part about building with AI.
Yeah.
We're just constantly building, and there's very little, and we're just having fun.
So is that the...
Wait.
Come on.
What do you think it's going to call the game? Is it going to change it? Superman flat?
Metropolis. Okay, fair. That actually looks sick, though.
That looks sick.
Oh, what?
That's a bug.
It's a pretty cool bug, though.
That's a pretty cool bug, though.
Yeah.
So now we could actually say, again, we tested it, right?
Yeah.
AI is not perfect. Now
it works.
That's really weird.
I'm telling you, so listening to us.
It looks like a mouse. Why does it look like a mouse? I kind of like it being a mouse.
Yeah.
Dude, we should make this game, but it's a mouse going through like all the different places to escape the human. We'd make millions, bro. Me and you.
I think so, bro.
All right, after this. But pretty cool. It has its own scoreboard. It changed the name.
Yeah, and it's pretty aesthetic as well. Like the whole game.
It's pretty nice.
I didn't have to tell it how to design it, how to make it look good.
You didn't have to do anything.
It just did it.
So check this out. This is something. Sorry, guys, if we're going back and forth a lot. This is technically how I like working with agents. I like to always be doing something. So one thing I want to show you. It's really cool. We're testing the website, right? Making sure it works. Replit will also test it with the AI.
What does that mean? How does it test it?
Check this out. This is all done by the AI. Let's see if it works, actually. I don't know if it's going to work. Cool. Check this out. So it's actually going.
Oh, so it's going to the website as a user.
It's going to the website. At the bottom is the AI talking.
Oh, okay.
So I'm making sure this website's all set up. So it's like, okay, cool, that works. I'm about to click. So look, you see the cursor moving?
That's AI?
That's AI. So AI is making sure it's even working. Now the next one. I successfully logged in. Now what is it going to do? I'm going to click New Moments. Let's see if it does it.
Oh, okay.
Is it going to go? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh my God. Oh, sorry. It just said that now it's done. 1 second. My bad. Go back. Oh my God. It deleted it. No. Replit, why?
Can you not just ask it? Like, show me the...
I think because I'm doing two things at the same time, it's getting mad at me. So real quick.
Overworking it.
Real quick. What did we just ask for before we were doing all this? Payments, right?
Yeah.
Because Sid, you want to make money.
Exactly.
It's hard being a college kid.
It is.
The job market is tough.
It's tough.
How tough?
Very tough.
Damn. It'd be great if you could just make like $500 a month by yourself, right?
500?
500.
Man, $5 a month would be good. But yeah,
okay.
maybe 100.
So check this out. Replit said, let's connect Stripe. Do you know what Stripe is?
I think so. I've heard of it. Yeah. So like Stripe's how you collect payments, like how other people can pay for stuff. And
Stripe is one of the world's biggest payment processing platforms. Right? So Stripe is a developer tool. But Sid, you don't want to develop things. So Replit says, can I add Stripe? Just say yeah. And again,
why should I do it?
Stripe is one of the most famous.
Yeah, I can do it. Yeah.
Stripe is one of the biggest payment processors in the world. There's probably 10, 20 others. But
and it just knows like Stripe is the best?
It just knows, yeah.
Okay. So it's automatically going to create an account and everything, or do I create an account on Stripe?
It's going to make an account for you.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah. So Stripe is now connected. Let me now set up the $5 month subscription for your journaling app. By the way, I keep saying this for the audience. This is really hard. It's really hard to set up payments on a website, getting their credit card, doing it securely, making sure that doesn't leak to the mafia or something, Like, it's actually really hard.
I mean, like, if I was not in...
We have donuts, by the way.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty nice. And this is what you do, man. You just chill, watch your AI work for you, eat your donut,
Can you not tell it, like, do it faster or something?
No,
that doesn't work?
He's already working so hard. Leave him alone.
All right, man. I'll chill.
So what's really cool about Stripe and payments, by the way, is this is money that will land in your actual bank account. In a bit, I'll show you how to connect your actual bank and stuff. So, by the way, guys, today we are going to help Sid make his first dollar. Hopefully it's going to work. I think making your first dollar on the internet is one of the most important moments in my life. I'll never forget, I was 13 years old, and I sold something on eBay, and I made $10.
How do you feel about that? Like the first $10?
I was like...
Mind blown?
I was like, I just made $10? Like, my friends are working at the grocery store, and they're...
That's like an hour's
And they're
work.
taking an hour to make $10.
Yeah.
I just made it like in 5 minutes. And so that, I'll never forget, that day blew my mind. And it's not that working a job is bad. I don't believe that. It's just like, I just wanted to do this.
Yeah, like I think if you give most people an option of doing hard labor for an hour or make $15 just making an app, eating donuts.
I do want to be very important though. It took a lot of creativity, right?
Yeah.
This is your idea. It's not like AI just came up with the idea. This is still your idea. And honestly, there's probably thousands of other journals out there that do this, right?
Yeah.
How many of you guys know something like this idea that's out there? Yeah. So there's obviously this app exists, correct?
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter. Like you made this for yourself. And if you like it, maybe 10 other people will like it too. And maybe if 10 other people like it and they pay you $5 a month, you'll make $50 a month. And you're happy with that, right?
Yeah.
You don't need to make $50 billion a month. You need to make $50 a month. And so you don't need like a crazy, unique idea to do that.
Yeah, just something that I would want for myself, honestly. Even if no one pays and I just use it, I think that itself is a win.
Yeah, I'm really glad we made this game, actually. Because it's taking a long time. And by the way, why is it taking so long? What do you think is going on?
Because right now, again, setting up payments, making sure that all that data doesn't get leaked and linking Stripe, I think that's why. It's tough, right?
It's just doing a lot of stuff. It's writing a lot of code.
Yeah.
Like you guys know when ChatGPT is like running, right?
Yeah.
Like you know when it's just running?
What?
You like you know when
Yeah, when you ask it something and it's like thinking.
Generate something. Like wait for it.
Oh, like thought for
this part.
Okay.
It's generating, right? When it's actually making text, it's generating. So this agent, wait, what is it? What did it generate?
Who is that, bro?
Sounds like Trump. A Dutch right-wing. I'll have to remember him for later. Okay, so what's really cool about this is that you saw what it was generating, right?
It was generating
so
text.
We've been generating the whole time. That's why this gets kind of expensive.
Okay.
It can cost like maybe $1, $5, $10, essentially.
Okay.
Like it's just constantly generating code. And again, adding payments is not easy.
Yeah.
Right? And so it's just working.
But how does it just know to add payments? Like because Stripe is another whole software or app in itself.
Yes.
So it knows to go there and create an account and then link it to this.
Yes.
Wow.
It's smart enough to do that. It'll make your account for you. It'll do everything for you. What you'll have to do later, in like 10 minutes, is actually add your actual bank details and stuff. And then you can actually take live payments, it's called.
Oh, okay.
And by the way, check out what it's doing. You can still follow what it's doing. Now I need to go and update subscription data. Okay, sounds complicated. Now I need to go and create the subscription front end. All right, man.
Whatever, bro. Just do it.
So now what is it doing? Now it's actually testing.
Oh, okay.
So now it's going to actually test if it's working.
So it's not just going to like pop it out and then you test it. It's going to test it, make sure it works, and then does it.
Yeah, it's testing everything right now. See, and it said passed. So it's actually going and it's writing code.
Yeah.
It's testing it by itself, and it's saying pass or fail. And if it fails, it'll fix it itself. Now, there are still some things that you as a human will catch that the AI can't catch, right? Like maybe there's a really weird issue where like when you upload an image of this size, it breaks.
Yeah.
In those situations...
Or like it crops out the image like it did.
Exactly.
Yeah.
In those situations, that's on you to fix it, you know? So check this out. Took a screenshot. So it's making sure that's working still.
Oh, wow, okay.
Because when you write code and change code, it can actually, it can break really easily.
I'm just curious, like how is it able to go onto the website as a user and test it?
Oh, wait a second. Oh, because it actually goes and takes a video.
Oh.
So it'll actually take a video of the whole flow.
Yeah.
And it'll run AI on the video.
Okay.
Isn't that crazy?
That is. So it's like it made the thing, and then it's going to review it, and then it's going to check it as well.
So this whole website so far costs us $3, right?
Damn.
Let's test if it works. So what did we ask for? I actually forgot. Can you remind me?
Payments, right?
Payments, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Also, we have to check if your
All the
journal
picture
entry
was there,
saved, right? So we're testing two things. But I'm more interested in payments right now because I really want you to make your first dollar.
Me too, bro.
I'm so sad that you're just so broke.
It's okay.
And the job market is tough.
Now I gotta make 2 payments because this already costs $3.
But if we make $5 and this costs $3, we make profit $2.
Okay. Profit.
What's beautiful about it saved it.
It saved it. Okay, that's
amazing.
crazy.
Let's go. Cool. What's beautiful about software is you make it once and you can give it to everybody. So
Right.
if this costs us even $100 to make,
Yeah.
and we get 500 people to pay for it, we pay that $100 one time to make it,
Yeah.
right?
We're in business.
So what were we testing?
Payments, right?
Payments.
So if you want to make a new account,
Where is payments? Is it on maybe?
do you have to log out and then start again?
Let's try again. Yeah. Let me log out. Let's see.
What did it say though in the chat?
I've added a $5 a month subscription banner. When the user logs in, they'll see a banner to subscribe. Okay. You liar. You've lied to me. How could you do that? So now maybe this doesn't work, right?
Okay.
So even though AI is so smart and we think it knows it all, it couldn't do this thing. I don't see the banner. Bro, please just show it for all users. I want to test payments. And by the way, you see this little lightning button at the bottom?
Which one?
This little
yeah.
lightning?
Yeah.
So this button is actually pretty convenient for quick changes. Because, we're in front of a live audience, 150 people.
Oh, okay, so it'll do it faster.
It'll do it faster, yeah. And so this should maybe take maybe 60 seconds, hopefully.
Okay, that's nice.
So look,
Now
it ran into an error.
check that it ran into an error. Okay.
Yeah. So again, the agent is testing things now, and it's seeing that there's an error, and it's going to fix it for us. It's going to check the logs. Again, kind of difficult for a human to do, I think.
Yeah.
In my opinion. Oh, there it is.
Oh, wow.
Subscribe,
It's pretty
$5
crazy.
a month. So we actually have to. How is it performing?
Okay,
Guys, what do you think?
Let's try it though. Does it work?
What do you think is 5?
I'm satisfied.
I'm satisfied, bro.
Very satisfied.
I'm
Sure.
very satisfied.
Let's do it.
Cool. Let's check if it worked. Thank you for keeping me on task, bro.
Of course.
So we actually can't use it here. We have to click it on its own website.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so subscribe, $5 a month. Please work. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wow. So it created
Okay.
a whole Stripe checkout page.
So
That's amazing.
um,
Let's test it.
I know this, but most people don't.
Okay.
If you ever want to test a credit card,
Yeah.
all you have to do is do this. This is a fake credit card.
4242?
It's a fake credit card, completely fake.
Like
it doesn't
these
actually-
exact numbers?
Yeah. So right now,
Oh.
it's on. You see this word sandbox?
Yeah.
It's not currently live.
So if I send this out to someone, they can't
They
like...
can't actually pay money.
Okay.
But we can actually test if payments
If
work.
it works, okay.
So if this is a real credit card, it would work. So let's subscribe with my fake credit card.
So if this works, we can then
We
not
can-
have it in the sandbox.
If this works, we can publish it,
And then anyone can...
and anyone can use it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and let's see if it goes back now. Success.
I want to try like if I take a picture
Oh,
of everyone right now.
subscription activated, bro. We're good.
That's crazy.
Thank
We
you
can
for
start
subscribing.
monetizing it then.
Yeah, so let's do that. Thanks. Let's actually monetize this now. So I'm going to click publish. And I'm going to connect my actual Stripe account. So right
Okay.
now, I'm going to connect my account. I don't want you to use your account right now. Do you have one?
Nah, you just do yours.
Okay, so I already
And send
set...
me the money later. You will, right?
Yeah,
Come on.
for sure, bro. Yeah. So I'm going to use my Stripe account. To make a Stripe account, it's really easy. You just go to their website, you make an account, and it connects it to your bank. So this money was connected to my bank,
Okay.
and I promise that I'll give you the money if someone buys it.
We have so many witnesses.
So I'm going to actually do it on the side here.
Can I take a picture and then like send it to you and then you create a moment?
Yeah, bro, let's do it.
Okay.
So I'm going to log
Everyone
into
says
Stripe
yes.
right now and give it all my passwords and stuff. It's going to take just 2 minutes.
Okay, I'm just going to message this to you.
You're going to text me the moment?
Yeah.
Okay.
My first dollar.
Okay, cool. So I just connected my Stripe. I give it my password now. Again, this is already connected to my bank account. I did this before the event.
What a smart guy.
You know, you gotta be smart sometimes, bro. Cool. So I just gave it my passwords and stuff.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna click publish. Where's publish? Publish.
Okay.
And what's really cool about this is it's gonna do everything for me. Now, man, I keep saying it. It's getting annoying, but
this must be
is
super
really
tough.
hard to do.
Yeah.
It's really hard to get a website on the internet.
I can tell, bro. AI is working hard.
It is so annoying sometimes. Like when I was 20,
Yeah.
it was so annoying.
Like how did you do it without
Dude,
AI?
a lot.
Like you'd have to like.
How did I do without AI? Hours and months sometimes of like just messing up and learning. But now AI will actually, the agent will deploy it to the internet for us.
Okay.
So this is the AI working right now. It's actually going to the internet. It's giving us a URL, a website.
Yeah.
And it's going to go and deploy it. And what's cool
But
is,
usually that's not how it works. Like you can't just, there's no button to just deploy.
and check this out. It said build failed.
Okay.
So this is the most annoying part about getting a website on the internet. You'll always be doing things, and it's going to be breaking and breaking and breaking. And you have to keep on figuring out why. In this case, the build failed, and the agent is going to go and fix it. So I'm going to say debug with agent.
Debug means just fix the code,
Fix.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then the agent will go and get the errors, and it'll fix it, hopefully. And let's see if it works. So let's let that work.
Let's go back to the game.
Now, do you want to maybe finish this, or do you want to do something new? Because I want to show them the last thing too. And
Yeah, I mean, this is cool. So this is a web app that I can literally start making money from right now, right?
yes.
Now, it would be...
By the way, we have a whole website that it already made for us down here, which is
wow.
moments.vault-farza. You know, it's a whole ugly website. Technically, though, I can buy
A domain?
A domain.
Oh, wow,
Right?
okay.
We can just make a live domain. You have a better name for it, maybe?
Moments is good.
Moments.blog, maybe? Or $2,500.
Bro, that's...
Let's do a really
What's
cheap...
a $4 one?
What's the
Your
phone?
moments.live.
Oh, I like that.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna, and that costs $30 a year.
Okay.
So when you buy a domain, you have to pay every year.
Okay.
$30 sometimes. And so that's pretty cool. So it looks like the agent said, hey, I fixed the error. You can try deploying again. Don't mind if I do. This is tough work for us. So now I'm going to click republish, and it's going to do the whole process again. And hopefully it works.
Yeah, but you know, it would be really cool if we had an actual iOS app. Like, does AI,
Yes.
it can do that too?
Yeah. So after this, the last thing I'm going to show you guys and you is how you can build a full iPhone app that you can put on the App Store.
Like, today?
We can't put it on the App Store today because
Okay.
Apple has a whole thing where
Oh yeah, it has to
get approved.
approve
But
it.
we can make it today, and it can work locally on our computer.
That would be pretty cool, yeah. Like a fully functioning
Yeah.
iOS app.
How many of you guys have Apple or Android phones? Yeah. How many of you guys use apps on them? Yeah, that's probably all of you. Yeah. So like now you can actually make your own apps, and that's the last thing I'm going to show Sid. Once we get this done, so it looks like it's working. It's almost done.
So we've already made like what, 2 things, right? We made the game fully functioning.
Yeah.
The landing page website.
Yeah.
This hopefully works right now.
Can we maybe get your mom as our first customer?
Mom? What do you buy?
Is that okay? Okay, cool. It's almost done. No, bro, maybe
What if we just put this link in like the group chat we had with everyone, like the carpool group chat,
True.
and someone
So-
could pay?
Oh, it's ready. Let's go. So now we're on the internet, on the
Okay.
official internet. Ha 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 ha. So I'm going to text you this link. Feel free to send this to your mom or whoever. It's a bit of a weird URL, but if anybody wants to pay for it, here's the link. You know what, Sid? I'm feeling like a nice guy today.
Are you gonna be my first customer? No.
I'm actually happy to pay today.
No way.
And the money actually goes to my bank account.
Yeah, but you gotta send it to me then.
Yeah, for
Because
sure.
everyone saw that.
For sure, I'll do
Okay.
that. Yeah, I'm going to send my own money to you, for sure. Okay. Now I just logged in. And by the way, now we're on the official internet. Like, anybody can go to this website now if you wanted to.
Okay. Let me just send this in the carpool group in the off chance that someone would actually want to buy it.
So I'm going to actually, you sent me a moment, right?
Yeah. In the messages?
In the messages, yeah. So let's open
add
this.
That. Horrible picture, but...
Horrible picture, truly. But let's save this picture to my downloads, and let's save this moment. Me and Sid making our first money. Cool. Save moment. And it should just work. Cool. Awesome.
Okay.
And now, let's just say, I'm a random person. I really like this website. I'm down to pay money for it. Right?
Yeah.
And by the way, we can do other things. Maybe what you do is you make it free for the first 10 entries, and then after 10 entries, you charge money. So
yeah, that would make more sense.
There's many more creative ways to charge money. But right now, we're doing the dumbest thing possible, which is you made a journal app, and someone is nice enough to just give you money for it because they like it.
Okay.
But we could do a lot of other things if we had more time.
Yeah.
We could be like, on the 5th entry, charge them this much money. Or after 15 entries free, give them this discount.
Or like you have all your entries, but you can only see the most recent 3.
Yes.
If you want to see the rest, you pay.
Exactly.
That would be nice.
This looks like Stripe is broken. Let's see if it works here. What's going on? And if this doesn't work, we'll actually go to the iOS app and... Okay, there's an error here, and I'm going to tell the agent to go fix it.
Okay, so while it fixes it, we go to the iOS
But
app.
actually, already super cool.
Yeah.
Right? Like, we have a full website. I can make a new moment now. Anybody in this room can go to this website right now, and I can just do this awesome thing. Sick logo. Bada bing. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I can go to previous ones now. Mm-hmm. And it did this whole thing for us.
Exactly like how we designed it, actually.
Exactly how we designed it. We have a calendar. It's beautiful. So again, the problem right now is when I click subscribe, it's not working. And so I've identified the root cause of the checkout. Okay, thank you. Just go fix it, man. Thank you. Yeah. So while we do this, because I know we're short on time, I want to show you one more thing. You all got maybe 20 more minutes? Is that cool? Yeah? Okay, sick. I want to show you one more thing. I want to show you how you can make an iPhone app using this technology. So I'm actually gonna let this run in the background.
Okay. So for an iOS app, is it the same thing that we use, like
it's
a coding
not.
agent?
So now I want all the audience to kind of try your best to follow along and kind of ignore a couple of things. Because this is the most powerful agent on the market today. It's where you can build absolutely anything.
Like this one?
I'll show you right now. It's called Claude Code.
Okay.
You know Claude Code? Have you heard of it?
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Claude Code is the most powerful agent on the market today. But the thing is, it's kind of hard to use, and it takes a lot of getting into.
Okay.
So I showed you Lovable, I showed you Replit, and now I'm going to show you Claude Code, which is, in my opinion, the hardest one to learn, but it's the best one. And Claude Code also looks kind of more scary. It looks more kind of software-y. So let's do this. I'm going to first go to Xcode.
Okay.
Again, this is where it gets a little bit kind of advanced.
Okay.
So even for the audience, all I'm going to say is just have fun, follow along. I think once you kind of get good at Replit and Lovable, I would move to this. But I know how to code. I know this platform. So Xcode is where we make iPhone apps. It's a free app that anyone can download.
Okay.
So I'm going to make a brand new iPhone app. A brand new iPhone app. Xcode. Okay, here we are. Let's go to create new project. Let's make an app. Mm-hmm. Let's call it. Actually, I already have an idea for you.
What's your idea?
I heard you go to the gym a lot.
Sometimes.
I heard you're ripped.
Am I? I don't
Guys,
know.
Sid is really ripped. I don't know. Don't flex, but it's scary. But you go to the gym a lot, right?
Okay.
And you showed me the other day your whole training plan.
Yeah.
Your whole diet plan, everything, right? So let's call this Sid's app, right? Let's make it.
So we make a gym app?
The idea is, what if we made an app that helped you kind of track what you're doing at the gym?
Yeah.
And maybe if you like it, you can give it to some of your friends. You can put it on the App Store, and other people can train like you. That's kind of my idea. What do you think?
Yeah, you know what would be cool? So in the gym, you try to do either more reps or you do higher weight, something called progressively overloading.
Okay.
but it's tough to track it or like remember it.
Okay.
So it'd be cool if every time I hit a workout, I can kind of remember how much weight I hit in each exercise.
So let's just make it. So let me actually go and turn on Claude Code. It's not open yet.
Oh, you gotta like turn it on?
I gotta turn it on. Yeah, 1 second. Oh my God. Again, audience, I'm sorry if this is confusing. This is the one part of it where it's like, does get kind of confusing. But just follow along and just kind of watch. So now I'm going to turn on the agent. This is Claude Code. And it looks kind of like Replit, actually. You type stuff in here, and the agent will go do work for us. So I'm going to say, hey, Claude, here I want to make an iPhone app. Right? This app should, and you want to tell it what it should do? You want to write it down?
Yeah, but even before that, I had a quick question.
Sure, sure.
Where is this? Like, what is that?
Okay, so this is the part I'm kind of skipping over.
Okay.
This is called the terminal.
Terminal, okay.
It's like a really kind of engineering thing. It's where you can actually look at all the files in your computer and run more advanced programs on your computer.
But every Mac or laptop has this?
Every laptop has this installed already.
Okay.
It just lets you run more advanced programs on your computer.
Okay, makes sense.
And Claude Code is a very advanced program because it's going to actually go on our computer and change our computer, basically. Because again, our iPhone app is on our computer.
Yeah,
right?
it's not a web.
Replit was on the internet. So all the code was on the internet. So the agent actually worked everything on the internet. But an iPhone app, all the code lives on here, on the MacBook, right?
Okay.
And so that's why we have to use this kind of crazy terminal thing. Because the agent, we're going to give the agent permission to actually access all the files on our computer.
Okay.
Which sounds not
and
all the files,
it needs to like kind of add stuff to the files?
Yes.
Because that's how the whole app will work?
Yes.
Okay.
So you want to maybe ask what your app should look like?
Should just be a
Again,
log.
Yeah. Because you want to make it'd be fun to have an app where you just kind of tracks your workouts, right?
Yeah.
By the way, again, making apps for the iPhone is notoriously difficult. It has its whole separate programming language. It has a whole separate flow than making websites. It's a lot more advanced. And so if we can do this, it's a big deal. So be a log of all my workouts and how much weight I hit in each workout. Okay, cool.
Yeah, maybe you want to add some more stuff.
Can you also add a nice opener screen plus maybe ask a few questions to help personalize the app to my workouts, like my weight, height, etc.
Oh, yeah, that would be cool too.
Yeah. So now I'm again, this looks a lot scarier than Replit. It doesn't look as nice, but it's the same thing. I'm gonna click enter, and now Claude will start thinking.
So it's doing the same thing that the other AI agents did?
Same thing.
It's just like a little bit smarter.
Exactly. So now here's what it's doing. I'm gathering my requirements. I'm setting up my iPhone project structure. I'm going to create the welcome screen. I'm going to build a workout screen. I'm going to create a workout history view. Oh, wow, this is really cool. What is this? I've never seen this before. What type of workouts do you primarily do?
Is it asking me
It's
right now?
asking you. Yeah. Weightlifting?
Yeah, weightlifting.
How detailed should workout tracking be? What do you want your app to feel like? Simple, detailed, or very detailed?
Let's do simple.
Okay.
Because I don't want to...
How about you do the middle?
Okay, let's do the middle.
And you have the latest phone, latest iPhone, 17?
No, bro, I'm broke.
Okay, well,
But
I have the latest iPhone, 17.
Yeah.
Or the latest iOS.
iOS, yeah.
Submit answers. Cool. So now Claude understood more from us about what we want. And so we can do a better job of making the app.
Okay, so like Replit and Lovable didn't do that.
Yes. Replit, this is maybe the most important part where people get confused. Replit, Lovable, these agents are on the internet. They don't run on our computer. They run on the internet. Claude Code will run on our computer. So check this out. It says, can I do this? Can I go and actually use your computer for you?
Okay.
Right? That's what it's asking. Can I go and create this directory, for example?
Did you say yes?
1 second, actually. Look at the project locally. I already started the app. Oh, perfect.
So I guess this is a little bit smarter because it actually asks you questions as it goes along the way.
Yes, I think Claude Code, I use Claude Code a lot, almost every single day.
Does this also cost money?
Claude Code is also probably one of the more expensive ones, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's not super expensive. It's not like crazy. I think it's like $49 a month.
Oh, okay.
But it's pretty good. Replit, I think, costs $20 a month. So again, there's different levels to like what you want to do, right? Okay, so it looks like, by the way, you remember Moments, that other website you were making?
Of course, bro.
So it's still working on, it looks like it fixed the problem. So now I'm going to go
So the Stripe link should work.
It
so
should
now
work.
if you send this to people.
Well, we'll test it ourselves.
Okay.
Let's see if it actually works. By the way, see how it's asking me? Do you want me to do all this? It's asking me. Because technically, it's using my computer for me. But it's asking me permission. Can I use your computer? Can I do this? Can I do that?
Yeah.
It's not looking at all my files. It's only looking at the project files.
That's pretty cool.
It's pretty sick, yeah.
Pretty respectful.
Very respectful, actually. Claude Code is a nice guy, man.
Yeah. You want to check the other thing you were showing me?
So now it's deploying.
Oh, okay.
So we're almost done here. Once this finishes, we can test this. But I do this a lot, actually, where
Like going back and forth?
I'll be working on 2 apps at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of...
It's more interesting also.
Yeah.
Otherwise you're just like waiting, right?
Want some water?
I'll have some, bro. Thank you.
Okay, cool. If this doesn't work, I'll be really sad. But let's see. All right, ready? Subscribe.
Please work.
It doesn't work.
What's it doing? What's AI
Subscribe.
doing?
Internal server error. I'm just going to tell it again. And I'm going to keep doing this until it works.
And it does work, right? Like over time it just figures it out?
Eventually it'll figure it out. But this is where AI is not perfect. You actually got to go back and forth a lot to make it work. But while that's working, oh, okay, it's saying I don't have the right keys. So let's set that up real quick. 1 second. Let me actually go and maybe I gave it the wrong password. Remember? I was doing that?
Yeah, in Stripe, like in your account.
Yeah. So let's go to publishing.
So it's not AI, bro. It was you this whole
Yeah,
time.
it's always me, man. And while we're doing that, Claude is doing his thing. He's building you a whole iPhone app. So congratulations.
That's amazing.
Sid, I don't know what's going on, to be honest, bro. We may not make your first dollar today.
Don't do this to me, bro. I called everyone here.
To make your first dollar? Where can I add my Stripe keys? All right, well, this Claude's almost done, so that should be fun.
Yeah, man. Can't wait for this iOS app. So can I actually test this on my phone?
Yeah, so I'm going to show you really fast.
Oh, wow.
When you make iPhone apps,
Yeah.
it actually runs a fake iPhone on your computer.
Oh, okay. But I can also like not download it from the App Store, but like test it on my phone, right?
Yep. Exactly. So we're not going to test it on your phone today, but we'll test it on the computer.
Okay.
But you can also connect your phone, then use the app, yeah.
Okay.
I don't have that set up for you right now. I'm so sorry.
Which one?
The whole thing where you can actually run it on your phone.
Oh, on your
today.
phone?
Yeah, but
no, but in general, I'm asking like if I'm doing this later on,
yeah.
I can just set it up on my phone
Yes.
to like actually
so once
use
we make
it.
the iPhone app, you can actually test
That's
it.
pretty cool, yeah.
So
Like I don't
now-
have to wait for the approvals and all that. That's amazing.
You can actually make your own iPhone app and use it by yourself anytime. You don't have to put the app on the App Store necessarily.
Okay. Like for websites, you have to publish them, right, to be
Yes.
able to use them?
Yes. Cool. So now it's just building and testing our app.
So it's going to literally show an iPhone screen.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Claude should be smart enough where it just does all that for us.
So you use this Cloud Code for the apps that you build, like the Mac app you were talking about?
Yeah. So that app I made, the Mac app, I did
Yeah.
exactly this, yes. Because making stuff for Apple is actually really annoying, and this makes it a lot easier. So while it does that, I'm trying to figure out why your actual website's breaking.
Yeah, like why is this Stripe link?
I think it's because something's going on with my, like my keys, like my Stripe account.
Okay.
This is the most annoying part about it. This is so annoying. I hate when this happens, man.
Are we able to make a new one or no?
We can. It's all good. If it doesn't work the way we want it, we can at least do the iPhone app.
Okay.
Okay, so now it said, I've implemented your entire workout app, and here's everything I did.
Wow.
So it kind of did everything for us. Let's see if it actually works. So I'm going to click play up here. And it should make
this is Xcode, and then you're clicking play. Okay.
This is how you make iPhone apps locally. And so now it should make a fake iPhone on our screen and start testing the app. Oh, here we are. Pretty cool. And let's see if it works. Okay.
Oh, no way. Okay.
Welcome to Workout Tracker. Track your strength, gains, and workouts one workout at a time. So let's click next. This is pretty cool. What's your name?
This is Sid.
Sid. What's your
22.
age? 22. Metric or pounds? Let's do pounds, bro. I'm American.
Okay.
What's your weight?
170.
It's okay. Let's just do this. Inches, let's just say, I don't know, 100 inches. I don't know how much that is.
Bro, come on.
Is that tall?
It's not 100 inches. What's 5'11"?
100 inches online.
What's 5'11" in inches? Anyone know?
I don't know. 160? Oh, so you're actually taller. Okay. Thanks, man.
Thank you, bro.
All right,
Shit,
cool.
should have kept 100.
Get started. Cool. So now we can go and this looks like an iPhone app.
Yeah, for sure. Does it work?
Try it out. I don't know.
Damn. So I just put notes, exercise.
Cool. So maybe you want to give your workout name. Start.
Let's say I'm doing a push session.
Okay.
Add exercise. Oh, that's pretty sick.
So now you can do individual exercises.
Bench press. Reps. 8. Weight. 1,000.
Sick.
Usual.
1,000 pounds?
Usual, bro.
Okay,
Warm up,
so click
warm
save.
up. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
So now we saved your workout.
Oh, and it remembers the date and everything.
And it remembers everything.
Damn, that's pretty sick.
Yeah.
So if I do it again.
So what's really cool about this is I use an app like this on my phone.
Yeah.
It's called Strong. Can you guess how much they make every month, bro? It's millions of dollars a month.
Millions a month?
Yes. And it's an
It's
app.
more than Flappy Bird, bro.
Yeah. And it's an app that does exactly this. It helps you track your
really?
workouts.
That's insane.
And I think that's the most important part about all this is like, you don't need a crazy innovative idea. You just need an idea that you enjoy that's useful to you.
Yeah,
so,
that's
bada
pretty
bing.
cool, yeah.
You've made your first iPhone app. Congrats, man.
Yeah, right there and then.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. So, Sid, I don't know what's wrong with the payments thingy, so I'm very sorry. Maybe I'll fix it after for you, if I feel like
Okay.
it. But at the
No,
very
you have to now, bro.
But at the very least, we know that this works. This is a full app that we have working.
Yeah.
We can create new moments. We can save them. There's a database. There's an account system. You don't know how to code, and you did all this.
That's crazy. And the only thing is that I can later on get this fixed. So literally
Yes.
someone could come, click this, and it just
Yes.
takes them to Stripe.
Yeah, for some reason it's not working. I don't know why. So it's one of those things sometimes where you just spend a lot more time doing it, maybe 10, 20, 30 minutes. I'd rather not do that in front of you guys, but you will figure it out.
Yeah.
If you ask the agent enough
I mean,
times.
we already did so much. But
Yeah.
yeah, I'm sure like this is a small thing that we can easily figure out.
And so that's that. That's how you make your first thing, bro. So, hey guys, I hope that was cool.
That's crazy.
I hope that was cool. I hope that was cool.
amazing.
Some final words for you. Let's say the apps that we made today are really cool. I would pay money for the apps that Sid made today. And so the idea, like you don't need a great idea. You just need something that's useful to you. You don't need to make Uber or Airbnb. You don't need to go viral. You just need to make something that you enjoy. And if 5 other people like it, maybe that's enough. Again, this is a really important number, $250. if everyone here was making $250 a month, they'd be pretty happy, right?
Yeah.
Spare income. 250 people means 25 people paying $10 a month. Let's go back to your website. Do you believe you can find 25 people to pay $10 a month for this website?
Yeah, for sure.
Maybe if you make it a little bit better, maybe you add more to it, add more features.
Like first, maybe I find one person, and then maybe I find 5 people.
First one
and
would be
then
your
I
mom.
improve it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's 10, 25, and it goes on from there.
And by the way, we didn't get to show it, but if the money, once we get the money working, the AI actually already set up our Stripe account right here. So we can actually track how much money we make on here.
Oh, that's pretty cool, yeah.
Once we get this working, we can actually set it up together.
Let's do it.
But that's the fun part. So all of it is set up. We can literally start taking payments once we figure out the stupid bug.
Yeah, and I mean like, there's so many apps that are already there that do the same thing.
Yeah.
And people look at them and think, oh, that's a legit business.
Yes.
But essentially it's the same thing, and we just made it.
We just made it. So yeah, I think the real answer to your questions is, for a lot of you people in the audience, is that you don't need to make a big idea. You just need to make an idea that can get 25 people to check it out. Also, a lot of people say the app already exists. Who cares? Just make it. And I think that like a lot of people don't make ideas because they already exist. There's thousands of journaling apps.
Yeah.
But your journaling app is special because why?
It's just made for me,
It's
and I like using it. Yeah.
It's made for you and your friends and your specific use case, right? So that's everyone else. That's cool. That's all I got, everybody. Shout out to the high school here and all the staff for helping us set this up. Shout out to all of our amazing volunteers, Sid, Nokez, Ish, Riri. And shout out to Nevermind. Nevermind is a fantastic design agency and video agency. So if you're in Dubai and you want to get a cool brand or cool video or cool commercial, talk to this guy. And one more thing. We partnered with Replit for today's event, so you all get 1 month for free. All you have to do is use this code. It's called Code Farza. Take a picture real quick. So I hope that helps you guys. I think you get $20 for free, which is actually a lot.
Yeah, like what we were making today.
Yeah,
maybe we could do a lot more.
Yeah. We're also offering one more code. It's called Rourke. This is a website that lets you make mobile apps, iPhone and Android apps. So we talked to the founders, and they're down to give you guys 1 month free. So the code is Farza Dubai.
It's a nice code.
Yeah. Cool, guys. Please get home safe. Here's the WhatsApp group if you want to join and stay in touch. Maybe get lunch after, introduce yourself. I'll keep it on stage. And Sid, thank you for being my student today. I'm very sorry we didn't make your first dollar, but maybe we'll figure it out. And
we will.
We'll email you guys once we figure it out. And that's it.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks, guys.
Also, shout out the tech support people. They were supposed to be on holiday. They came in just for this event. So, Mr. Subit, sir, and everyone behind the cameras, thank you so much.
Yeah.